Okay, how are you today? How are you, Ngi?
Fine.
Okay, how are you doing?
Mm, it's okay.
Okay. So I will share to you now. Let us study uh, business English already. Wait me, huh? Na 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 na. Ay, awa! Cotton! Ay, awa! Cotton! Move, Cotton! Awa! Ay, sick ka. Ito na po ka, ha? Okay, so let us have here number five. Okay, so ending the conversation. So we have here ending the conversations. Okay, so let please me try to read the texts about Angie's advice on how to end the conversation. You read and you tell me after. Okay, so dear chatty colleague, everyone has a colleague that can talk too much. These little chats can take up a lot of time. It is always hard to end the conversation without being rude, but there are some things you can do to improve the situation. Here are some polite phrases to help you in the future. Anyway, I'd better run. I should get to work now. I'm afraid I'm very busy at the moment. Can we talk later? Unfortunately, I don't have time. All these phrases signal the end of the conversation. So hopefully, your talkative coworker will let you return to work. Remember to always keep polite tone so you don't cause hurt feelings. Good luck. Okay. Okay. So from this one, try to have. What do you think? You choose only the letter H. What do you think is the main idea from this one?
Mm, I think it's A.
Okay, you encircle, please.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. What is the main idea of the advice column? What do you think is the main idea of the advice column? Okay. How to, yes, very good. The main idea is how to politely exit the conversation. Example, your workmate is going to tell you a lot of things and you don't like to talk anymore. Okay, two. Okay. So according to passage, what action will prevent a coworker from feeling bad? Okay. Yes, correct. Sending the conversation quickly. That's very quick. Okay, 4-3. According to the passage, which is not true. Which is not true. It's rude to end conversation with coworker. Okay, this is not true. So it is actually not rude to end the conversation. You can end the conversation, but in polite way, not to rush. You have to end the conversation in polite way. Look at here. Okay. You can keep polite tone, so don't cause hurt feeling. Okay. Okay. Now, write the word that is similar to the meaning.
I'm finished.
Okay, number one, the salesman was impolite and unfriendly. Very good. Rude. So when you say impolite, it's rude. Okay. John needs to return back to work. Okay. So Patrick should learn leave now or he will be late. What is the answer? Leave. What do you mean by leave here? Leave, return. Leave should leave now. Should, better. Okay. Back to work or what is it? Okay. Better done. Okay. Knowing few foreign groups. Oh, number five. Please answer number five.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. You find it hard. Number five. Okay. Five. Too much conversation at work uses a lot of time. Okay. Too much. What's too much here? Mm, too much. It means take up. Oh, the answer for too much is take up here. Number five is take up a lot. And then number three. Oh, number three is should leave. It means that better run. Okay, should leave. It means better run here. Better run. It should leave. Okay, three should leave. Better run. Four knowing a few foreign words. This is phrases. Number five is the answer for number five is get back. Okay, better up. No, sorry. It's up where it is. Oh, five is take up. Okay. Again, number three is one is rude, two get back, three better run, four better run. It means you should leave. Phrases too much conversation at work uses. It means take up uses. Okay. Very good. Yes. Okay. Next one. Now we have questions here about the one you read. Okay. Read. Write your answer in the chat box. Two only had two. What might you have to end up a conversation before someone has finished talking? Second, what are some phrases people can use to end a conversation politely? Okay, please answer. Ah,
I don't know.
sorry Nia, because teacher has up to it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Who is that, Nge? That's your mom?
Okay.
Hey, let me see. Okay, what might you have to end a conversation before talking to someone else? Okay, sorry, I must be off, or should I get back to work? Very good. Wow, the English, very good. Very good. Sorry, I must be off, or should I get back to work? Very good. Okay, so what are the phrases? Okay, these are the phrases that you mean. Okay, thank you for taking the time to talk with me. Wow, that's good. That's polite way or the polite manner on how you will gonna finish someone. Because when you try to talk to someone and that someone is very interested in talking to you, otherwise he or she will get hurt whenever you will end up the conversation so quick. But then of course we cannot do that because we have a lot of things that we're going to do. So what will happen if we keep on talking, right? Okay, so this one. Now fill in the blank with your answers me are correct. Very good, me. Very good. Okay. Fill in the blank with the correct words and phrases from the word bank.
Teacher, I can go to the bathroom.
Mm-hmm. Sana naman is ngiiwa naman ito nga ay nangihi na napay ng CR nga wanan ibalik. Ito nakita kang ngiti. Napay ng CR nga wanan ito ni ay siya pag oy. Supaya nag-chat pa siya. Ah, okay ba oy? Yung lagi tang. Wala ka na ito compressor drops, kahit pa compressor drops. Ay, total pressure just in. Likewise, mana? Mm. O pa, lagi nito nga. Love, love you, boom. Ah, kana, agad na siya call. Ibarbay pa. Ate. Wait. Mm. Lately, ay, kana say kung chat, ba ako nag-chat niya, di ko kanote sa video ka ng mga panghambog-hambog. Mm. Pareho mong doha. Kana nakasuot, nakakuan po ko kanang na, kana kay mo lagi na ijang background sa iyang pamilya dahil. Mabitan na sa balis ako na pangutan. Hmm. Hmm. Yung to ko na, ay. Iba na yun ko ni Briggs dahil nga, dili, hindi mo dapat i-share ang, dili ni mo pwede i-share ang.
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay, so here. So unfortunately, not attending the meeting, Mr. Vincent Flight is going to hurt. Okay, very good. The businessman afraid to cross their plane too late. The office is busy since there are many people working. Very good, me. Wow, you are great in doing the activity in business English. Business English is for what's that? For all generations, or not so. It's just like for adults. Mr. Fox, a lot of time, use the right tone of voice in work conversation. Very good. Okay, so I knew that you have to work with your own tone. Okay. Bang Ore. You know who is Bang Ore? Huh?
What?
Do you know who is Bang Ore?
What?
Do you know who is Bang Ore?
No.
Bang Ore is Tono.
Ah.
And he keeps on text she reminding me that we have class at 9 p.m.
I know, I know, I know.
Okay. Next one. Okay. So we have here, I will, please erase me, ha? Ordering numbers. Okay. So please read about ordering numbers ni lesson 5. Mau ba? Mula na. Ay, nako, nalilito sila. Ay, mas ba? Oo, oo, oo. Kadtong kada mo kasi tanto ka mo man tong tulo. Diba? The three of you. Pareho lagi may point of view ni teacher Jay sa day. Nga, dili maayo ang my girl best friend. Ang, di ba niingan ka? Di ba niingan ko nga, ang girl best friend is only okay if you existed it already. Like, girl best friend mo, para bang James nga best friend mo sa una, wala problema. Pero ikaw, mangita ka girl best friend karon